Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
What if I told you a budget phone in 2026 packs a massive 9,000 milliamp hour battery, flagship level durability, and surprisingly solid performance? Meet the vivo Y600 Turbo. Priced around 2,000 yuan, roughly 220 pounds or $295, it focuses on what really matters: incredible battery life, rugged durability, and smooth everyday use. Let's check it out.
Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content.
Starting with the design, the vivo Y600 Turbo comes in dune gold, electric ball, and millennium pink. The pink version is easily the standout. Its glowing pink-purple finish shifts beautifully in the light, giving it a premium and eye-catching look. On the back, you get a clean, dual-camera setup with a stylish star ring design and a diamond-inspired flash. The flat, aviation-grade aluminum frame adds a premium feel. At just 8.29 millimeters thick and 215 grams, it feels sturdy without being too bulky. Now for one of its biggest highlights, durability. The Y600 Turbo is rated IP68 and IP69, meaning it handles dust, water, and even high-pressure hot water with ease. Vivo also tested it through 8 tough durability tests for drops, extreme temperatures, and harsh environments. Whether you're outdoors or on a construction site, this phone is built to survive. Flip it over and you'll find a large 6.83-inch 1.5K OLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and 4320Hz PWM dimming for better eye comfort. Even better, it reaches an incredible 5,000 nits peak brightness, making it easy to see even under bright sunlight. Powering everything is the latest 4nm Snapdragon 7S Gen 4. It's more than capable for daily use, scoring over 1.18 million on Antutu with impressive single-core and multi-core results. Memory is another surprise. With memory fusion, total memory expands up to 24 gigabytes, allowing up to 30 apps to stay active. Switching between apps feels fast and smooth, with almost no lag. Gaming is better than you'd expect. Honor of Kings runs at up to 120 FPS, delivering smooth gameplay even during intense matches. Keeping temperatures low is a huge 7K VC cooling system. Even after long gaming sessions, frame rates stay stable with minimal thermal throttling. But the real star is the battery. The massive 9,000 milliamp hour Blue Ocean battery is one of the biggest in its class. After 1 hour of gaming at 120 FPS, it drops only 6%. Even after 3 hours, an incredible 74% battery is still left. That means light users can get around 3 days of use, moderate users about 2 days, and even heavy users can easily last a full day. In many cases, you won't even need a power bank. There's more. Vivo promises a 6-year battery lifespan. You also get 90-watt FlashCharge, reaching 50% in under 30 minutes and a full charge in about 72 minutes. Direct power supply while gaming helps reduce battery wear, and wired reverse charging lets you charge accessories on the go. For cameras, the phone features a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS. Photos are sharp, colors look natural, and portraits have pleasing skin tones without the over-processed look common in many budget phones. It's a reliable camera for everyday photography. So, is the vivo Y600 Turbo trying to beat flagship phones? Not really. Instead, it focuses on solving real everyday problems. With a huge battery, excellent durability, solid performance, and a 6-year reliability promise, it's built for people who simply want a dependable smartphone. If battery life and toughness matter most to you, this phone deserves a serious look. So what do you think about the vivo Y600 Turbo? Would you buy a phone with a 9,000 milliamp hour battery? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!